Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Bintang Aurora Dewi. My student identification number is 2025-32016. Today I am going to continue my practicum project creating a professional pizza promo poster from Figma. In this tutorial, I will be adding the remaining design elements, applying shadow effect on rectangles, grouping object, inserting a leaf asset with blur effect, and finally exporting my finished poster. Okay, alright. Let me open my previous practicum file. As you can see, I already have the base layout with the dark red background and the pizza image. Now, based on the reference poster, I still need to add several elements. The brand name pizza domain in the top left. The flavor list, sosis, salad, keju, daging. The big price tag showing Big Max 700. Yeah, 70,000. Yeah, maybe. The call to action button kuy beli and to contact number at the bottom 0812 08 0857 8978 0396. Let me start by adding the text element. I click on the text tool and place the pizza domain label on the top left. I'm using a bold, condensed font, something like Anton or Impact, to match the energetic style of the poster. Next, let me add the flavor list. I'll type each item: sosis, salad, keju, daging, using white bold text left aligned. Now, from the price tag, I'll draw a round rectangle in golden yellow, and inside it, I'll type Big Max at the top at 70,000 in large bold numbers below. And now let me move on the step 2, applying a drop shadow effect to the rectangle element. I click on the golden yellow price tag rectangle to select it. Then I'll going to the effect menu. Or if I'm using curve draw, I'll go to effect drop shadow. In Figma I can find the shadow option under the element setting panel. I set see how that give the price box a nice live 3D effect. It really makes the price stand out, draws the viewers eye immediately. I also apply a subtle shadow to the kui beli boy button rectangle the same way. Okay. Grouping is really important in design, especially when I have a complex poster like this. It keeps things organized and prevents me from accidentally moving element out of place. I start by selecting all the text element on the left side. Pizza domain, rasa, and the flavor list. I'll hold shift and click each one. Then I press Ctrl G to group them, or I can right click and select group. Next, I select the price tag rectangle along with the Big Max and 70,000 tags and group those together as well. And finally, I group the why beli boy button with its sub text tidak enak uang kembali. I'll go to the asset panel in Figma. I can search green leaf and add green leaf in the element section. In curve Photoshop, I can import an PNG with a transparent background. I place one large leaf cluster near the bottom left of the pizza, and a few smaller leaves skirt skirted around. Okay, this add a natural organic feel that contrasts nicely with the bold typography. Now here's the cool part. I apply a blur effect to some of the leaves. This technique mimics a camera depth of field effects, making it look like those leaves are slightly out of focus in the foreground. Okay, and alright, I am almost there. Let me do a quick visual review before I export. Looking at the reference poster again, I have a brand name, pizza domain, flavor list on the left, a price box with shadow, Bliway CTA button, contact number at the bottom, leave aside with blur, all elements group. One thing I want to double check is the overall balance of the poster. The left side is heavy with text, so the large pizza image on the right balance it out nicely. This is the principle of balance in action. Now, let me export my finished design. In Figma, I'll go to export and export the poster. Dan I hope tutorial was helpful and clear. If you have any question, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss my next tutorial. Okay, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.